Life is fun and wonderful and enjoyable. Life is a walk along the beach, a snowball fight. Life is waking up and taking your first deep breath, knowing that you are going to start an incredible day. Life is love. Life is goodness. Life is a gentle kiss, holding hands for the first time. Life is Christmas morning, finding the golden egg on the Easter egg hunt. Life is a warm, silky bath after a long day. Meeting up with friends. It's the first date with the love of your life. Life is amazing. Life is wonderful. Life is human connection. Life is solitude when you need it. Life is finding your passion and doing that to make money, so it doesn't feel like work. Life is also work. Life is eating the best food that you've taken the time to prepare, and then having to wash the dishes and dry them and put them away. Life is having to unload and load the dishwasher, if you're fortunate enough to have one. Life is wearing the most comfortable clothes that feel so good on your body, and then washing them in the washer and dryer, if you're lucky enough to have those too, or in the creek, in the river, in the sink, or in the tub. No matter how you do it, you need to wash. Life is folding them and drying them and hanging your clothes up. Life is interruption sometimes, but that's okay. Life is doing that laundry. It's scrubbing around the toilet. Life is fixing the printer when it doesn't work. Life is full of tears and sadness and hope and joy. Life is feeling like you could conquer the world and feeling like the world has conquered you. Life is looking into the eyes of a family member who loves you more than anything. Life is happy tears. And life is all out bawling because you're in so much pain. Life is swimming in the ocean, feeling the water and the warm sunshine on your skin. Life is trying to get that sand off of your feet once you're back home. Life is a snowball fight. And life is trying to warm up your fingers when you're done. Life is up and life is down. Life is a roller coaster, and it's wonderful. Embrace life. Embrace every part of life, because we only get one. Make every second count. And smile. Because if you smile, you're going to make someone else's life better. And if everyone's life is better, the world will be a better place, and your life will be better too. I love you, and you are lovable. And I'm glad we're living this life together.